Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious and easy chicken keema. Shimla mirch. This flavorful minced chicken with bell peppers is perfect for a quick dinner. Let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a lard, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cook for 2 to 3 minutes until add the chicken keema to the pan and cook until break any lumps using a spoon to ensure even. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well. Add the finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they become and the oil starts to separate. Then, add the diced bell pepper and your chicken keema shimla mirch. Enjoy it hot with roti, naan, or thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.